The Dock and Pies Arcade Factory 60 Game Cocktail Arcade Machine promises to transport you back to classic gaming. This full-size, two-player retro table features a 19-inch LCD, full-size controls, and 60 classic titles in a hand-built cabinet. It's designed as a game room centerpiece. Check the link in the description for the best price. This chart examines how well this arcade table performs in actual use scenarios. Opposing control panels are ideal for competitive head-to-head cocktail table arcade play, enhancing social interaction for all users. The full-size cabinet creates a more authentic and impressive focal point than smaller, less substantial consoles for any game room. The 19-inch LCD is practical for modern viewing, though it doesn't fully replicate the classic CRT display's unique retro look. 60 included titles offer a useful variety, but buyers should confirm the exact game list to manage their expectations. This machine delivers an authentic two-player experience and strong game room presence, making it a compelling centerpiece for dedicated entertainment spaces. We evaluate whether the features and construction align with the asking price. The hand-built furniture construction and full-size controls contribute to a tangible sense of quality and value. The advertised 2-year warranty and lifetime support are a strong selling point compared to many generic arcade units. The included game library is convenient, but details on software provenance and expansion options remain unclear. While premium, DIY, or mass-market cabinets can offer lower costs, or commercial units might provide more documented components. Hand-built quality and a strong warranty add significant value, but be aware of how it stacks up against other market options. This section identifies potential issues and concerns for prospective buyers. An 80-pound cabinet is vulnerable to potential freight damage and can be quite difficult to return if issues arise. The exact game list and its licensing status are not independently established, leading to some uncertainty for buyers. While basic parts are serviceable, comprehensive documentation for internal components is limited for more complex repairs. Direct seller support and a 2-year warranty generally improve buyer confidence, assuming consistent service. Shipping, software licensing, and repair access are key areas of moderate risk, which buyers should carefully consider. Ultimately, the Dock and Pies Cocktail Arcade Machine is a niche buy. It excels as a game room centerpiece, offering a true retro feel for 2 players. However, its high cost, shipping risks, and unclear software licensing mean you should proceed with caution. Verify the game list, delivery logistics, and warranty terms before committing to this unique and substantial investment.